Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose password and biometrics over here, select set lock screen password and pick one of the lock methods after 5 seconds. By clicking on use a different password type and clicking on the chosen one. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it and enter my pattern. Then repeat it. And over here, if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can click on add and follow the instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!